Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a busted T-56 transmission from a 2005 Corvette, and we're going to take it down to Rick Kim's to get it sorted out and actually get a replacement. So guys, I'm going down to Rick Kim's. That's RKT 56. For those of you who don't know, Rick Kim, he's Asian and he builds transmissions. And you know, I was just thinking, when I travel, like, there's things that I do that, like, even when I'm by myself, that, like, I mean, I think normal people do.
Bear left after 3 miles and continue on I-95 south.
Tell me if I'm wrong, like going through a tunnel.
Bear left after 2 miles and continue on I-95 south.
I probably lost a bunch of views already. Oh my gosh, my voice is hoarse. Okay, so anyway, we're on our way down. I tune for other shots, blah, 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 and, you know, that's some of the stuff. I want to know what you guys do, like, on your way, you know, somewhere. Do you, like, I don't know, count red cars or something stupid like that? Yeah, like, I did something stupid. I admit, like, we all do something stupid. So I want to know what you guys do. And, then when we get down to Rick Kim's, I'm gonna...
Bear left after 1 mile and continue.
And then when we get down to Rick Kim's, I'm gonna show you guys what he works with, what he does, and well, yeah, we're actually picking up a transmission and a rear for 2 different projects down there, and tuning 2 cars. So I'll let you meet the Asian. Let's go meet the Asian. We're just gonna fast forward to it. And here we are. RKT 56 by appointment only. Oh, look, there he is! The myth, the legend! There's a box. Oh my God, that box has an engine in it? Look how strong he is. I gotta dub over your voice.
Okay.
Just move your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Just go like go ahead. Come on, do it. Well, don't say anything. Just like, hi, I'm Rick from RKT 56, and I work on T-56s, TR-6060s, and all sorts of other transmissions. So check out my website for more information. Look at that. Now we're gonna take this apart and see what's wrong with it. Also, I love Coronas. You didn't move your mouth. He's busy. Okay. Find out what's wrong yet? Oh, I see some stuff right here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the rear support bearing failed.
The rear support bearing. Look at that. I guess this used to be a bearing.
Yep. Yep. In a plastic cage.
Yeah. Is that something that's normally replaced during a rebuild?
Not from us.
Okay, because this is not to throw these guys under the bus because shit happens, and you know we know that, but this is a built transmission, and
Failed bearings is not because of a builder.
So what was locking it up? Was it just like the top side, or is it something that we'll find out?
Bearing that would be binding. No, it turns fine.
So this thing could be like fixed for maybe a bearing.
Well, main shaft is done. Reverse gear is probably done. So shaft, reverse gear, and a few other. I haven't seen anything other, until we get the main case off, but we'll see.
So this is the reverse gear bearing. Okay. So reverse gear bearing, all sorts of bad stuff. Look at all that metal.
I had to chip some of the bearing that actually welded itself to the main shaft just to get the hub out of the main shaft.
Oh boy. When do you take the rest of the case off?
Probably another 10 minutes.
Is that like Asian time or like American time?
That's RKT time.
Oh, okay. That's a fancy tool. And this is one of the bad boys that we're picking up. Look at that. CSP. Must be for me. And over here we have a multitude of transmissions that Rick works on, plus all the other stuff. What's that? Should I take that? I should. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. I guess that's torque tube stuff in here, and man, there's a lot of stuff here, and that's not even his secret room. I can't show you the secret room though. It's secret. He doesn't even let me in there because he's an asshole. I think there's Slim Jims in there. Rick also builds rear ends. These are ZR1 rear ends that will be built at some point, so that's cool. So we tuned this today. This is a 2009 ZR1 with Kong, well, whole top side, factory exhaust side. Hey, where you going? Get back here! And this is Rick's piece of shit. Nah, that's fine. You want to start it up, Rick? Hey, where you go? You want to start it up?
Now you gotta start.
I don't have any kids.
You don't have any kids?
Kids?
Kids? You mean keys?
No, I don't have any keys.
You don't have keys.
I already locked up the keys.
Hey, Rick. Tell me about the details of your car.
It's a 440 LS7. Somebody named Andrew.
Okay, go on.
Somebody named Andrew tuned it for me. Runs like Great Babe, very fast.
Good. Okay, now let's hear it. This is how Rick gets in a car.
It's a struggle.
Just a small camshaft. You think he's gonna rev it? It's only cold. That's fine. When it's cold, it runs a little richer, but that's fine. Just smoke us out, dickhead. Let's see what's wrong with it. Oh, man. Look at that. What's about to close? You need some new struts. Yeah, this is a pretty nice piece here. Look at that. I like the intake, the carbon fiber. Rick likes to keep everything clean, so when I come down here, he hates it. So Rick is very anal, and that just means that he's got to clean up like for a day after I leave. You guys have seen my shop. Okay, we are closing up at RKT Performance here. Thanks for watching today's video. If you do need a transmission built like a T-56, TR6060, just get in touch with Rick. His number is right here. I was not paid to say any of this. It's just Rick's a good guy, builds a good transmission, and has a nice warranty for it, like a 6-month unlimited mileage warranty. Okay guys, adios.